Hello, this is the next video. Something was very wrong. My Supra wasn't make boost like it used to do. Then I tried this here. I was fixing the 5k RPM issue that was burping, but the car felt so lazy going through the RPM, and I could hear a whistle, and that could be from the boost controller or from the wastegate down there. So I'm gonna get the smoke machine, I'm gonna put in here, and this came out of the turbo, and this goes straight to the wastegate. Turn this on. This should have smoke right down there. Look at the noise. Can you hear? If that's just the hose, it's great. Now let's change the setting. I can hear it. It could be inside. Okay, the problem is not the hose. Look, I'm going to squeeze the hose. The noise stops. And then the noise continues. And here's what is interesting. There's a noise in there. I know that's going from the hose to the wastegate, but I don't know exactly what the problem is. So yeah, what it is. So I'll need to lift the car, take the wastegate out of the car, which is a pain. So I'm gonna push the car in, I'm gonna go under the car, see if I can get that thing out. Alright guys, hours later, I'm gonna get this piece here, I'm gonna turn on the machine. We're gonna have some smoke coming out of here. I'm gonna put on the top. I don't hear the hissing anymore. And I see pressure on the machine, so that's a good thing. And here, when I press the bottom, it doesn't come out air anymore. And look, still coming air. Fixed. Now, it's 11 p.m. so I'm just gonna go test it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go for a little drive and then see if it works. But I'm sure I tested with the smoke, everything was gone, and it's awesome. Ew, focus! Whoa! Oh my, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yes! Wow. Turns out the tune wasn't the only thing holding my Supra back. So my plan for the next videos is to get the tune so this car can climb from 3 to 8,000 RPM very quickly. And